This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with two essentials: the app installed and the enrollment email or credential code in front of you. Open VIP Access now and choose Add Account. This triggers either scanning a QR or entering a code manually. Enter the organization or hostname if prompted, because VIP links the token to a specific service. Once done, allow camera if scanning, or double-check the code you typed. Make sure push and internet are enabled so the app can sync and receive challenges. After adding the account, VIP creates a token immediately. You'll see a 6-digit OTP that refreshes. This is time-based, so keep your device clock accurate. If codes fail, use the app's time sync option. Next, complete any server-side confirmation. Sign into the target service, choose to register a new token, and enter either the OTP or confirm push when prompted. Be deliberate here. Mismatched names or skipped confirmations can leave the token unpaired. Once paired, you're ready to authenticate. To sign in, choose OTP and type the 6-digit code, or respond to a push notification. Push is faster, but both validate the same token. If you see repeated failures, first run the app's time sync because tokens are time-based and need correct clock alignment. If problems persist, re-enroll using the original code or QR. Keep backup enrollment info. Finally, contact your administrator when the server rejects a token. There may be policy blocks, revoked credentials, or required reprovisioning on their side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.